Ferdinand Bol was born 24th of June 1616, died 24th of August 1680, was a Dutch painter, etcher and draftsman. Although his surviving work is rare, it displays Rembrandt's influence. Like his master, Bol favored historical subjects, portraits, numerous self-portraits, and single figures in exotic finery. Bol was a popular and successful painter. His palette had lightened, his figures possessed greater elegance, and by the middle of the decade he was receiving more official commissions than any other artist in Amsterdam. Godfrey Kneller was his pupil. Bol delivered 4 paintings for the 2 mansions of the brothers' trip, originally also from Dordrecht.